let us start all day efficiency. So friends, after completing all day efficiency, in all day efficiency I will solve the two problems. Next, after that we will see voltage regulation. Okay, so friends, what is all day efficiency? Okay, we know that efficiency means output in kilowatt output divided by input. Okay, this is a general formula. So here transformer means output divided by output plus losses. Okay, this is the formula to find the efficiency of a transformer. But here all day efficiency means output in 24 hour. Okay, same here output also in 24 hour, losses is also 24 hour. Okay, that's why we will say it's a all day efficiency. Means we are going to find the efficiency at 24/7. Means we are going to find the efficiency at 24 hour. That's why we will say it's a all day efficiency. Okay, so to calculate the all day efficiency, we are using the formula. Okay, this is the formula on your screen. All day efficiency means output in 24 hour divided by output in 24 hour plus losses also in 24 hour. So the formula is output kilowatt hour. This is important. The output is kilowatt hour. Okay, divided by output kilowatt hour plus losses also in kilowatt hour. Okay, this is very important. In the transformer efficiency, we are calculating the output in kVA. Okay, losses also in kVA. But here all day efficiency, we are using the kilowatt hour is the unit. Okay, because we are calculating the energy. Okay, let us solve one problem. We will know what is all day efficiency better. Okay, so this is problem number 1. A 100 kVA distribution transformer has a full load loss of 3 kilowatt. Okay, first we have wrote down the given data. Write down the given data. Okay, I will remove this. Okay, given data. Here rating is 100 kVA. Okay, rating A is given 100 kVA. Okay, full load loss 3 kilowatt. Okay, full load loss. Okay, full load loss is 3 kilowatt. So full load loss 3 kilowatt means this is copper loss plus iron loss. Okay, if we combine the two losses, we will say full load loss 3 kilowatt. Okay, next is given at full load the losses are equally divided by between the iron loss and copper loss. Okay, the losses equally divided between means iron loss is how much? 3 kilowatt divided by 2, we will get 1.5 kilowatt. Okay, so same here, copper loss 3 kilowatt divided by 2, we will get 1.5 kilowatt at full load. During a certain day, the transformer connected to the lighting load operated with the load as given below. Okay, in problem A, what he has given, on full load unity power factor 3 hour. Okay, full load power factor is unity and hour and timing is 3 hour. On half load with unity power factor 4 hour. This is problem B. Okay, half load power factor is unity, hours are 4 hour. Okay, C, negligible and during the remaining part of the day calculate the all day efficiency. Means total 24 hours are there. Okay, total 24 hours minus 4 plus 3, 7 hours. Okay, we will get how much hour? 17 hour. Okay, 17 hour. No load, power factor is unity, hours are 17 hour. So friends, this is very important. What the all day efficiency, these are the important problems are there. The concept here, so total we have suppose we have a transformer, we are connected to the transformer, we connected a load to the transformer at full load, means we are operating the transformer at full load at unity power factor for 3 hours. Okay, we have at this condition what is the efficiency of the transformer. Okay, next what we will do, we operated the transformer at half load, power factor is unity for 4 hours. This condition we have to calculate what is the efficiency of the transformer. So in C condition there is no load is there. Okay, we operated the transformer for 17 hours at power factor is unity. So what is the efficiency of that transformer? Okay, here all day efficiency, we have to calculate the all day efficiency, means efficiency at 24 hour. Okay, efficiency at 24 hour means in 24 hour we operate the transformer at 3 hour for full load, 4 hour for half load, 17 hour for there is no load at unity power factor. So what is the efficiency at 24 hour, means what is the all day efficiency. Okay, concept is clear. Now next I will solve the problem. How to solve the problem? Okay, this is very important. So here first the formula is, what is the formula? Output in kilowatt hour. Okay, divided by output in kilowatt hour. This is 24. Okay, this is also 24 hour plus losses in 24 hour. Okay, so first we have to find out the output in kilowatt hour in 24 hour. Then next we found the losses in 24 hour. Okay, which one we will solve first? Output kilowatt hour or losses in kilowatt hour, or losses in 24 hour. So first we will solve total losses. Okay, first we will solve the total losses. I am going to solve the total losses. Then I am going to solve the output in kilowatt hour. Then I will put the in formula. Okay, let us solve. Okay, this is okay. Let us solve the problem. So here we know the formula. What is the formula? Output in kilowatt hour. Okay, for 24 hours. Okay, same here. Output in kilowatt hour into 24 hour plus losses. Okay, so here losses means there are two types of losses is there. We know iron loss, okay, then copper loss. Okay, copper loss, right? So first we found the iron loss, then we found the copper loss. We add together and put it in the losses category. Okay, so next we will find out the output in kilowatt hour. Okay, so we put it in the formula. Okay, let us solve. First we have to find out iron loss. This is first we have to find out. Then next copper loss. Okay, we will put it in the formula. Okay friends, let us start. So friends, here before solve this problem I will clear the concept. Okay, if we understand the concept, then we can easily one more problem. Okay, this is the first problem. I will solve one more problem. That's why first I will clear your concept. Okay, so friends, we know that the all day efficiency formula, what is that? Output, okay, in kilowatt hour for 24 hours, right? Same output in kilowatt hour, okay, for 24 hours. Okay, we are finding the 24 hour plus losses, okay, in kilowatt hour for 24 hour. Okay, this is the formula. So here we have to find out the output in 24 hour. We have to find out the losses in 24 hour. Okay, this is concept 1. This is clear? Next what I will do, I will took the losses. Okay, we know that there are two types of losses are there. What is that? Iron loss and copper loss. Okay, in problem, so first loss is full load at unity power factor 3 hour. Okay, so here first loss is, I will say first loss, full load. Okay, full load. Okay, full load for 3 hour. This is first loss. Second loss is half load. Okay, half load for 4 hour. This is clear. Then third one is no load. Okay, no load for 17 hour. Okay friends, here there are three losses are happened. One, full load loss for 3 hour, half load loss for 4 hour, no load loss for 17 hour. Okay, next, each loss contain copper loss and iron loss. Okay, further each loss contain iron loss and copper loss. Okay, here also iron loss and copper loss. Okay, here also iron loss and copper loss. This concept is clear. Now what I will do, I will find out total iron loss. Total iron loss for 3 hour, total iron loss for 4 hour at half load, total iron loss for 17 hour at no load. First I will calculate the iron loss. Next I will calculate copper loss for 3 hour at full load. Next copper loss at half load for 4 hour. Next I will find the copper loss at no load for 17 hour. Okay, let us solve. Okay, I will erase this. I will totally erase this. Okay, so interesting problem is there. Okay, this is very interesting problem. Okay, if you understand this, you can easily solve the one more problem. Okay, let us solve first iron loss. Iron loss for 24 hour. Okay, for 24 hour. We know that iron loss is also known as constant loss. Means iron loss is same for full load, iron loss is same for half load, iron loss is same for 1/3 load, iron loss is same for 1/4 load, and iron loss is same for no load. Okay, that's why we'll say iron loss is a constant loss. We know that in given data, in full load loss we get 3 kilowatt, right? It contains iron loss and copper loss. It is equally divided, means divided by 2, we will get the 1.5 kilowatt iron loss. I was earlier in written in the given data. Okay, I will erase this. Okay, so my iron loss is what? 1.5 kilowatt. Okay, for how much hour? For 24 hour. I am finding the iron loss for 24 hour. If I multiply this, how much I will get? 36 kilowatt hour. 36 kilowatt hour. This is understood. We found the iron loss for 24 hour. Now we are going to find the copper loss for 3 hour, for 4 hour, for remaining hour. Okay, let us start. Copper loss, okay, at full load, okay, at full load for 3 hour, at full load for 3 hour. Okay, what is the formula? The formula is x square into copper loss into hour. Okay, you keep remember this formula. We know that x means it's the fraction of load. At full load, x is 1, right? 1 square. Copper loss is 1.5. Okay, hour is 3 hour. We'll get answer 4.5 kilowatt. 4.5 kilowatt hour. This is clear? Next, copper loss. Okay, copper loss at half load. At half load for how much hour? 4 hour, right? 3 hour is completed at 4 hour. Okay, for 4 hour. See here, same formula, x square, copper loss into hour. Correct? Half load means 1 by 2 square, copper loss is 1.5, hour is 4. Correct? 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. Okay, I will write here 1 by 4 into 1.5 into 4. Okay, this 4 get cancelled. We'll get 1.5 kilowatt hour for 4 hour. Okay, next. Okay, I will erase this. See here. Next, copper loss at no load for how much hour? 17 hour. Right? 17 hour. We put the same formula, x square into copper loss into hour. Okay? So x no load. No load means 0 square. Copper loss is 1.5. Here 17. Okay? 0 multiplied by anything is 0 kilowatt hour. Okay friends? Let us see. Now I am going to find total copper loss for 24 hour. Okay? I will erase this. Okay? Okay? See here. Now total copper loss for 24 hour. Okay? First 4.5, second 1.5 plus 0. How much I will get? 4, 5, 6 kilowatt hour. Okay friends, this is clear. Now I am going to find total iron loss plus copper loss for 24 hour. Okay, total iron loss plus copper loss for 24 hour. Okay, iron loss is how much? We got 36, right? 36 kilowatt hour plus iron loss is 6 kilowatt hour. How much? The answer is 42 kilowatt hour. 42 kilowatt hour. Okay, we found out the total iron loss plus copper loss for 24 hour. We will get 42 kilowatt hour. Okay, this concept is clear. Next I will go output in kilowatt hour. Okay, let us start. Okay, see here. Output in kilowatt hour. Okay, see first same we found out the output. Okay, for full load, at full load for 3 hour. Okay, 3 hour. First we found the full load output at full load for 3 hour. What is the formula? X into kVA into cos phi into hour. Okay, this is the formula. Full load means X is 1. Okay, kVA, how much in kVA given? 100 kVA. I will put it 100. Power factor is unity. Hour is 3 hour. Okay, I will get 300 kilowatt hour. This concept clear? Next, output. Okay, offload for 4 hour. Okay, see here Same formula, in place of x I will put it 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2, kVA is 100. Okay, cos phi is 1, hour is 4. Here 4. I will get 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 200 kilowatt hour. Okay, so next output for output no load. Okay, output no load for remaining hour. How much? 17 hour. Okay, same formula, in place of x I will put is a 0. 0 into 100 into 1 into 17. Correct? 0 by anything is 0. Okay friends, now I am combining the total output. Okay, total output. How much total output? One is 300, then second one is 200, then third one is 0. Okay, see here. Okay, I will get 500 kilowatt hour. Correct? Now I am going to find full load efficiency, all day efficiency. Okay, all day efficiency. What is the formula? Output in kilowatt hour means 500. Okay, output in kilowatt hour 500 plus iron loss plus copper loss. How much? Iron loss is copper loss. We will get 42. Right? 42 into 100 for efficiency. Okay. So answer is 92.2%. 92.2%. This is the answer. Okay friends. Likewise, I will solve one more problem. Okay. Let us solve one more problem. Okay. This is interesting problem. Okay. You understood the you understood the first problem. So we can easily solve the second problem. Correct? Let us solve second problem. This is problem 2. As usual, we write down the given data. Okay. A 24 kVA single phase lighting load transformer has a full load copper loss 500 watt. Means here rating is given. Rating is given. How much? 24 kVA. Okay. The next copper loss given. Copper loss how much? 500 watt. Next iron loss 250 watt. Iron loss is given 250 watt. Correct? During a day, the transformer operates on full load for 6 hours. Means during operation full for 6 hours. Okay? At half load 8 hours. At no load for remaining period. Calculate the all day efficiency. Means we are operating the transformer at full load. We are operating the transformer for full load. How much hours? 6 hours. Okay? And we are operating the transformer for half load. Half load. How much hour? 8 hours. Correct? 8 hours. And the no load for remaining period. No load means how much no load? 10 hours. Okay? 24 minus 8 plus 6. Okay? No load. No load is 10 hours. Correct? 10, 24 hours total. Okay? 10 hours. Now calculate the all day efficiency. Okay? We have to find out the all day efficiency. So here power factor is given or not? Here calculate the all day efficiency of the transformer. So here power factor is not given. Okay? No problem. So we can easily solve the this problem. First we solve the total losses. Okay? Plus iron loss for 24 hours. Okay? How much iron loss? Iron loss is 250. 250 into 24. How much you will get? Okay? How much? 250 into 24. 6 kilowatt. Okay? 6 kilowatt. We found the 600 watt. We converted into, okay, I will tell. Okay, we'll multiply this, we'll get 6000 watt in kilowatt, 6 kilowatt. This is completed for 24 hours. Now we will find the copper loss for full load 6 hour, half load 8 hour, no load 10 hour. Right, same formula. Copper loss 1. Okay, at full load. Full load means formula is x. X means here 1. Okay, kVA 24. Okay, power factor is not given, we put it as 1. Okay, hours is 6 hour. Okay, how much we will get? How much? Sorry, this is x square. Okay, x square means 1 square. How much copper loss at 6 hour? We'll get 6 into 3000. 6 into 500. Sorry. The mistake is happened. Okay. We know the copper loss formula. Okay. Copper loss formula. What is it? X square into copper loss. Okay. X square means here 1 square. Copper loss is how much? 500. Okay. This is 1 square is 1. 500 watt. So if we multiply this, 0.5 kilowatt. Okay, for how much hour? 6 hour. 6 hour means we multiply by 6 hour. Okay, we will get answer here 6. Okay, if I multiply this, how much I will get? Okay, this is the copper loss. We will find 3000 watt. Okay, 3000 watt. If I convert it into kilowatt, divided by 1000. Okay, I will get 3 kilowatt. 3 kilowatt hour. This is the copper loss for 6 hour at full load. Okay friends, this is clear. I will write down, I will put this 3 kilowatt here. Okay. Okay, 3 kilowatt here. Okay, this 3 kilowatt I am putting here. 3 kilowatt. Okay. Okay, I will erase this. Okay, next copper loss at half load. Copper loss half load. Timing is 8 hour. 8 hour. We know the formula x square into copper loss into hour. Okay. Half load means 1 by 2 square. Copper loss is how much given? 500. Timing is 8. We will get 1 by 4. Okay, this is 1 by 4. This is 500. This is 8. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, 5 2 ja, 10. Means 1000 kilowatt. 1000 watt. Okay. If I convert it into kilowatt, 1 kilowatt. Okay friends, this is clear. Next copper loss. Okay, copper loss, no load. Okay, no load for 10 hour. Okay, no load means x means 0. 0 square into copper loss is 500 for 10 hour. Multiply by 0 anything multiply by 0 is 0. Okay, so my answer is copper loss is 1 kilowatt. I am adding here 1 kilowatt. Okay, I am putting here. This is 0. For 10 hour is 0 plus 0 kilowatt hour. Okay. Okay. So total iron loss plus copper loss. Okay. For 24 hour, we will get how much? 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 0. How much? 10 kilowatt. 10 kilowatt hour. This is our total losses. Okay friends. Now we will find output. Okay, output full load. Okay, full load timing is 6 hour. First 6 hour. Okay, the formula is X into kVA into power factor into hour. Correct? Full load means X is 1, kVA is 100. Correct? kVA is how much given? kVA 24 kVA. Sorry, 24 kVA. Okay, kVA is 24. Power factor is not given. That's why I taken 1. 6 hours. We will get answer 144 kilowatt hour. 144. Okay, otherwise 144 kilowatt hour. Okay, output full load 6 hour. Next I will find, you note down this one, total loss is 10 kilowatt hour. Otherwise I will write it here. Okay, total loss 10 kilowatt hour. Okay, then first loss, okay, put it, no problem. Okay, up to here, no problem. So next, output half load. Okay, timing 8 hour. We will find this one. Okay, X means here 1 by 2. Correct? kVA is 24. Correct? Power factor is 1. Timing is 8 hour. If we solve this, how much we will get? 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Okay, 4 4 ja 16. 4 to the 8, 9. 96 kilowatt hour. Correct? 96 kilowatt hour. Next, I will count the output, no load. Okay, remaining how much hour? Output 10 hour. Okay, 10 hour. 10 hour. In place of no load means 0 into 24 into 1 into 10. Okay, 0 by anything is 0. 0 kilowatt hour. Correct? Now, this is the first output, this is the second output, this is the third output. Okay? If I add this, how much I will get? Okay, 144 plus 96 plus 0. I will get 240. Okay, I will get 240. Here I am writing 240 kilowatt hour. Okay? Now I will find all day efficiency. Okay? All day efficiency. Okay, output in 24 hour how much? 240 divided by output in 24 hour 240 plus losses 10. I will get 240 divided by 250 multiply by 100 for percentage. Okay, how much I will get? 96%. Okay, 96%. Okay friends, I hope you understand the concept of all day efficiency. Okay, next last one is there, voltage regulation of a transformer. I will solve one problem on this. So this topic is closed. Next we will go for 3-phase transformers. Okay, this is